Welcome to LoyaltyBITS webinar. LoyaltyBITS is an aggregation and collaboration platform designed for reward program service providers. We all spend money: travel, airlines, shopping in supermarkets, eating in restaurants, buying goods online. In the process, we pay by card or by cash and earn reward points. Simple. So where's the problem? Problem is all the reward points are not the same. They are different. They have different conditions, they have different expiry dates, and they come from different vendors. Slowly, the customer realize that the reward points are difficult to encash. They realize the problem. So, what's the solution? Using business value proposition canvas, we have designed a solution. We call it LoyaltyBits. LoyaltyBits is an aggregation and collaboration platform that allows partners, vendors, and customers to register, trade, and convert reward points. LoyaltyBits is designed for third-party administrators managing reward programs and converts third-party reward points into LoyaltyBits. LoyaltyBit program platform converts reward points into LoyaltyBits. LoyaltyBits is designed for third-party administrator managing reward programs for different service industries. LoyaltyBits runs on SAP B1. It also uses SAP Cloud and Google applications. LoyaltyBits portal is designed for customers, partners, and vendors. TPA administrator can use SAP B1 login. TPA administrator has a dashboard analytics. Our customers can reach us at 6 different locations globally. Feel free to contact our executive team, Imtiaz and Kabir. LoyaltyBits platform is an aggregation and collaboration platform that allows partners, vendors, and customers register, trade, and convert reward points designed for third-party administrator managing reward programs for service industries and converts third-party reward points to LoyaltyBits. Thank you for listening. Cheers.